Today will be just as hot as it was yesterday, and we will have pretty high humidity, although technically it will be a little lower than yesterday. We stay muggy through tomorrow, so you'll see here on my chart, we get into the sticky and steamy range both today and Friday, but on Saturday, that's when we really get some relief in here, and it will stay through Sunday and I think even into early next week as well. So we're almost done with this extreme heat wave. 100 the high today in Des Moines. Most areas will be in the mid to upper 90s, a couple of spots near that century mark. If Des Moines hits 100 today, it'll be the first time that we've had two 100s back-to-back 2 days in a row in the city since 2017. More than 6 years, because it was July of 2017. So there's another look at the high temperatures today, just really scorching. We will see full sunshine, so that aids in the warm-up. 94 at noon and then 99 around 4 p.m. Tomorrow, we will start to feel the effects of the incoming cold front, although it's a slow-moving front, so I still think we will be in the low and mid-90s for highs in central and southern Iowa. Boosted us to 93 in Des Moines because of the slower track of that front. It'll be in the 80s farther to the north. With the humidity, I expect at lunchtime that our heat index today will be feeling like 100, and then by the late afternoon hours we will see heat index readings again between 105 and maybe as high as 110, a little lower than yesterday. At 8 p.m. still feels like 100. Tomorrow at lunchtime it'll feel like the mid to upper 90s, and then it will feel like the low 100s in the afternoon on our Friday. Of course, this means warm and humid conditions for the first night of high school football. By the way, Friday Night Blitz airing tomorrow night for the first time right here on Local 5 of the season. 88 the kickoff temperature. We will be in the mid to upper 80s all the way through at least halftime, and then the temperatures will start to drop. As that front moves into northern Iowa, there could be a pop-up storm later today in northwest Iowa. A much better chance of rain is expected over the northern part of the state north of Highway 30 tomorrow in the morning and maybe even through lunchtime. Then we could see a stray downpour or two tomorrow in the evening. But in Des Moines, I'm only giving us about a 20% chance. We will see a slight chance of rain Saturday morning in southern Iowa, but the big theme this weekend will be cooler temperatures. Isolated storms are possible Monday, and it looks like it will stay refreshing through the middle of next week.